I had someone ask me the other day about a job that they were applying for, and they wanted to get the most pay or the most money out of it. And the first thing I wanted to tell them was that it's about how much you know about the job. And they said, it was just this particular job title. It was a manager role, but I didn't know a lot of information, a lot of detail about the job whatsoever. I said, what does compliance mean in this particular industry, in this particular job? And they couldn't articulate it. So the key here is understanding the job in and out, because the more you know about the job, the more you showcase your expertise, it showcases your worth and your value. And that's how you get paid more money, because the more you know and the more things that you know that's outside of the scope of the job, it gives you leverage. It gives you leverage to say, hold on a second, what you've said here, do you mean this or do you mean this? And that straight away puts you in the position of power, which allows the person to go, this person knows what they're talking about, and hence why they can't negotiate a lower rate for you. You want to get the best or the highest rate possible, right? So this is a key tip in terms of how to leverage to ask for more pay from the very onset. Hey everyone, my name's Ty, and thanks for watching. If you want more career advice, hit that subscribe button or leave a comment below, and yeah, I'm happy to create videos around those comments, and stay tuned for more videos.